Hello, MAFS friends. At Mid-Atlantic Facility Services, we believe in transparency and accountability. That's why every evening, once our cleaning crews finish their work, we complete a final, virtual walkthrough and record it, so you can see exactly what you're paying for and have real proof of a job well done. Let's begin our review. At the entrances and lobbies, we've made sure the floors are spotless, doors and glass are streak-free, and all high-touch areas have been disinfected. Moving into the offices and common spaces, desks, counters, and surfaces have been wiped down, carpets vacuumed, floors mopped, and trash has been removed. In the restrooms, all sinks, toilets, and mirrors have been thoroughly sanitized, supplies restocked, and floors disinfected. Finally, we've also addressed your specialty areas such as conference rooms or kitchens, completing each task according to your customized specifications. This virtual walkthrough recording will be securely uploaded to our cloud-based system. You'll receive access the very next business day, so you can review the results at your convenience. This way, you always have complete visibility into the cleaning of your facility and confidence that your space is being cared for properly. We know your currently cleaning company does not provide this level of accountability. Why? Because MAFS is the only company in the Mid-Atlantic region with this level of detail and commitment. Take a moment and call us for a free virtual demo and a free cleaning quote. We can be reached at 410-793-7172 or www.mafsllc.com. Thank you and have a MAFS-tastic day.